Hello students, now today we discuss the theorem of circle. The statement, if a line segment joining 2 points, if a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle at 2 other points laying on the same side of the circle, laying on the same side of the line segment, then the 4 points are concyclic, that is, lie on the same circle. If a line segment joining 2 points, if a line segment joining 2 points A, B, C and D dash and other diagram D dash. If a line segment joining 2 points A and B, if a line segment joining 2 points A and B subtend equal angle at the two other subtend equal angle at the 2 other points C and D, laying on the same side of the line segment, then the 4 points are concyclic. Given AB is a line segment and C, D are 2 points laying on the same side of AB, laying on the same side of AB, such that angle ACB equal to angle ADB. Given AB is a line segment, C and D are 2 points laying on the same side of the line segment AB, such that angle ACB equal to ADB. To prove A, B, C, D lie on the same circle. A, B, C, D lie on the same सर्कल, सेम सर्कल पे लाई करते हैं। प्रूव, प्रूव, ड्रा द सर्किल थ्रू 3 non-collinear points. Draw the circle through 3 non-collinear points A, B, C. If D lies on the circle passing through A, B, C, यानी कि D पॉइंट सर्किल पे होगा, ऐसे सर्किल पे है, वह सर्किल जो ए बी सी से पास करता है, ए बी सी से पास करता है। इफ पॉसिबल दैट D does not lie on the circle, if possible that D does not lie on the circle, D does not lie on the circle. Thus, this circle will intersect AD at D dash. This circle intersect AD at D dash. Now join D dash to B. So therefore, the angle ACB equal to angle ADB. It is given, and angle ACB equal to angle AD dash B. From this condition, angle ADB equal to angle AD dash B. ADB equal to AD dash B. But an exterior angle of a triangle can never be equal to its interior opposite angle. An exterior angle of a triangle can never be equal to its interior opposite angle. So, angle ADB equal to angle AD dash B. AD dash B is truly when D dash and D coincides. Thus the D lie on the circle passing through ABC. Hence the point A, B, C and D are lie on the circle. Now here discuss angle ADB equal to angle AD dash B. It means the D and D dash coincide each other. So D and D dash are not different. Therefore, the D lies on the circle of passing through the point ABC, and the point ABC lie on a circle, and these are concyclic. Clear? Okay. Now the next theorem, the sum of either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Now the statement, the sum of either pair of opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 degree. Given ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. To prove angle A plus angle C equal to 180 degree and angle B plus angle D 180 degree. Now given ABCD cyclic quadrilateral, ABCD cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. To prove angle A plus angle C 180 degree and angle B plus angle D 180 degree. Proof angle ADB equal to ACB and angle BABDC equal to angle BAC. Now add first and second angle ACB plus angle BAC equal to angle ADB plus angle BDC, that's equal to angle ADC. Now add both sides, adding both sides angle ABC. So angle ACB plus BAC plus ABC equal to angle ADC plus angle ABC. Angle ADC angle ADC plus angle ADC plus ABC equal to 180 degree. Now angle, sum of the angle of a triangle, angle ACB, BAC and ABC. इस एंगल की वैल्यू कितनी है? 180 डिग्री. सो एंगल ADC plus ABC 180 degree. Now angle B plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Now these angles are 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. So angle A plus angle C equal to 360 minus angle B, angle D. Angle A plus angle C 360 minus 180, that's equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle C is 180 degree. Clear? Now angle A CB BAC plus ABC, यानी angle of sum of all angle of triangle, sum of all angle of triangle is 180 degree. So therefore angle ADC plus ABC 180 degree. Angle D plus angle B 180. Sum of all the angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Angle B and angle D are already known. Now put the value to get the angle A plus angle C, that equal to 180 degree. Clear? Thank you.